Hello everyone, I am Satyam and in this video we will be talking about the array methods in JavaScript. And this is the part 1 of that series because the array methods are very large in number and they are very useful. Like you can manipulate large data sets and data with the help of the array methods, so you have to take care of that. And if you know the correct methods while working with the arrays part, then you can create much more useful code in the less amount of time. Now suppose you have to calculate the number of elements in the array. What you can do is you can make a for loop and iterate through each item of the for loop till it ends, and then you will calculate the number of items. But there is a simple method known as the length property, with the help of which you can calculate the number of elements very easily. So if you know the correct syntax for the correct options for the correct time, then you can create a much better code. So we have to take care of that too. So let's dive into the code now, because there are lots of methods and we have to learn each and every method in detail. So let's dive into the code. Here it is. I have created a variable or a array in JavaScript which contains 5 elements. Hello everyone, I love JavaScript. Now these are the 5 elements. As we all know that array elements are 0 indexed, so the index is from 0 to 4. So we can access each item in the array with the help of these indexes. So these are the methods and properties of array. Now the first one is the length of the array. The length of the array is very useful because we can get the number of elements, the number of words, the number of characters, or anything, any number which is the length of the array. Then we can use this as to make our for loop work, because we need a condition. So what we can do is like we have to work on that array. If we can only work on that array if we know the size of that array. So how we can get that is like there are different methods in arrays. Now the next task is to add some items and then delete some items. Now adding items in the array or deleting items in the array can be done with like 2 methods. First one is if we want to add item in the end, then we can do that very easily. And similarly, if we want to delete that item from the end, then we can do that very easily. So in programming, there are basically some concepts like queues and stacks that works with these concepts. Now think of a program like as a stack is like a data structure in which is a last in first out. That's known as LIFO data structure. So the element that goes to the array on the last has to come out of the array in the first position. So that is done if we delete the last item from the array one by one. So this and we can add the last item into the array one by one. So this will become the stack data structure. So the methods we use to delete and add items to the end of the array are push and pop. So pop is used to delete the last item from the array, and here you can see that I have used arr.pop. So with the help of that, what you can do is you can delete the last item, and then I have printed the whole array. Now you can see that the whole array is doesn't contain every JavaScript word, so it's deleted. So now if I want to add that to the last index, so what can I do is I can simply push that to the end of the array, and it's done by simply arr.push. So after that I am again printing the value of these To check whether the variable is an array or not, there is a property named as isArray. So isArray is used at that time. Now suppose you have a variable and you want to check whether it's an array or not. So what you can do is you have to this property works on the array object itself. So what you can do is array dot isArray. You have to check the case here because this is case sensitive. So after that you have to enter the name of the variable that you want to check. Here I have entered ARR, which is an array, so we get the output as true. After that if we want to convert the array into a string, what we can do is we can use the toString method here. Now the toString method will do what will do that the toString method will remove the square brackets and make the whole array to the string format, and then print that out with the help of console.log statement. And the last one is the joining arrays. Now suppose you want to print each and every item of an array. So what you can do is you can make a loop and then print that each value with the help of the console.log statement and with the help of the iterator or with the help of iterator. So but you can do that simply by joining the values, and you can join the method name is arr.join. Arr is the name of the array. You can make any array. So after that you have to put the parameter by which you want to join each and every element of the array, and in my case it's a space bar. So I get the output as hello everyone, I love JavaScript. When we convert the array to a string, then we get the commas in between. But when we convert the array with join, when we use the join method, then we can get the spaces, commas, anything that we want. Here are some more methods. So first is simply displaying that array. Now if we want to delete or add some elements to the front of the array, can do that with the help of shift and unshift. Now if I want to delete the first element, I use the shift, and you can see that I got my output as everyone, I love JavaScript. Hello is deleted. Similarly we can use unshift to add items to the first position. If we want to change some position or some data in the array, we just have to mention its index within the square brackets and then assign the correct value that you want to place in that position. This will replace the value with the value you pass. Now my array contains hi everyone, I love JavaScript. So the next one is the deleting elements from array. Now this is something important because if we want to delete something from the array, then what will happen is if you want to delete something and then you print that out, what delete will do is delete will simply put that thing and place undefined on that place, and this is not good because when you iterate over the array then you will get unexpected results. So try to avoid delete, and so you can also do this if you want to add the elements in the front of the array or at any position. I am replacing the undefined variable here. So I have written array, and at the 0 position I want to add hello, and after that I have printed that line, hello everyone, I love JavaScript, which are different words stored in the stored in the array. So this is it for this video. I hope you will know many more things in the upcoming videos, and so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned with the Unacademy for more videos, and you will get the full source code at the following link. So thank you guys.